I am going to be so embarrassingly real with you right now. I have a pup, he's right there, he's 90 pounds, he's a lab, and every now and then he throws up. His stomach is so sensitive. That's where the Hoover comes into place. I absolutely love this machine, so I'm going to go ahead and just use it. You can already see a spot that I did that got up this nasty gunk. So let me show you this in use. So up close, this is what the machine looks like. I don't have any current stains, but the dog always likes to make a mess right here. He throws up. It's like yellow bile. It's disgusting. Pet stains happen, accidents, spills from the kids, or whatever. This is the Hoover CleanSlate. It is so simple and easy to use. Power button is on top. The cord, the hose wraps around and then just has a spot to click in right here. The main plug cord has the spots right here, so it's super simple, easy, and neat. And then you have your clean solution tank there, comes off just like that and fills from the bottom. And then your dirty tank, you just press there to release, and then you can go dump all of that nastiness.